Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your card number in Zelle setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your card number in your Zelle setup, start by opening the Zelle app on your smartphone. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. In the settings menu, locate the option for payment methods or bank accounts. Select this option to view your current payment methods. Find the card number you wish to update in the list of linked cards. Tap on the card to open its details. Look for an option that says Edit, Update, or similar. Select that option to begin updating your card number. You may be prompted to enter the new card number. Carefully enter your new card information. Double-check the card number for accuracy. If required, enter the expiration date and security code. After ensuring all information is correct, look for an option to save or confirm changes. Tap on Save or Update to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your card number has been successfully updated. Close the settings menu to return to the main screen of the app. Your Zelle account is now linked to your new card number. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.